Hello, everyone. This is Megha again. I'm the co-founder of True Weight. This is a series where I'm doing talking to different people about how to continue eating healthy in the times of COVID-19. And today I'm talking to Miss Alka. She has been a member of True Weight, and here I'll send it over to her. Alka, please introduce yourself and tell us something more about yourself.
My name is Alka Sharma. I'm a psychologist by my profession, and as human being, I'm a good soul. And I joined True Weight in January 2020 because I was very, worried about my health. Internally, I was not feeling so healthy. And yes, of course, I put on so much weight because of a lot of stress due to the good work, and that was my psychology study and diploma for the students in counseling and guidance. And I have done everything but not taken time for me. So once I was just going through the videos and कि क्या करूँ, क्या join करूँ. So I get to see your video, Megha ma'am, that
Okay.
are you are you worried about your weight? And it clicked. Okay, True Weight was the name of your initiative is attracted me. So I thought to click more or to understand exactly what you are doing. So I get attracted to that. Okay, this is a time that True Weight can help me. So I joined. I called the person, and really the process is very fine. The person is coming to you, analyzing all the things, assessing your weight, your issues. Even it's a good relation making time. And personalization is there. So I was very highly impressed, even though I have not done that much good from my side. But True Weight is always taking initiative. How are you doing? Dietitian is calling time to time, and even the senior dietitian is calling. So my all 100% initiative, congratulations to you people.
Thank
This
you.
is all
Thank you
about the
so
journey till now. Yes.
Thank you so much for such kind words. And you're very right. I think the two things that I take away from what you said right now is one, everyone has to put in the effort. It's not that someone can teach you and you can lose weight. It has to be like, it has to come from you. The commitment has to come from you.
Hmm.
The second thing, what you mentioned earlier was the stress factor, right? How do you think, especially being a psychologist right now when everyone is locked down inside their homes, stress levels are going to be high. So do you have any tips on what people should do on managing their stress right now? And also what can they do to continue eating healthy? Because that is one thing that is directly related to the stress that you make.
Yes, that is a very common and very beautiful question, which is very important these days for people to know, to understand them. And not as a psychologist, as a as a human being also, I would like to take initiative to tell people that it's your choice between the pleasure and pain. Yes, we are in the comfort mode. I also, I'm taking my self disclosure also, and I don't mind because I'm very true. So I think we have to leave our comfort level. We have to leave our pleasure. कि थोड़ी देर और सो लो या नींद आ रही है. You have to wake up at 4 or at least 6. So you can start with a good vibes with your yoga and meditation. I started from last week. So my suggestion to people that everyone has mind to think, to rethink, to take out their best part from the pleasure and the pain. So you have a choice. So to all people, please feel like that this is a world war. Situation is like world war, and you have to fight with your own management. You have to fight with your own concerns.
Every person reacts differently to situations like these, to calamities like these. So it's wonderful when you can come across and say that, listen to your own thoughts, listen to your own mind, be content, and do make the most of whatever you have. So that is what all of us have to do. And see, when I say healthy eating, it's not just about what food you put inside your body. It's also the thoughts that go inside your body. It's also the stress levels that you have, the everything combined, the vibes that you carry. Everything is important in these times to keep your mind calm. So it's yeah, thank you so much
Yes.
for explaining it so beautifully. So since you've started following the program, like, can you tell me about 3 things that you've changed in your lifestyle?
First, I take an initiative while choosing food. Last video I have seen yesterday. So Vishnu sir was telling, okay, chocolates are good, but it depends that how you're eating, mindfully or not mindfully. Everyone has mind, everyone has brain, but it's your choice choice with how you're eating. You want to eat it, or you want to just take a tea. So,
Yeah.
healthy eating, healthy drinking, and healthy feeling.
What I get is the two things that you said. One is you are more conscious of what you're eating. You're taking initiative in making food choices. And second is
Yes.
it has taught you that research is good. So you are doing research in other areas as well. So yeah, these are the two things that you've changed.
Yes.
So, yeah.
So I think if people, if you can make a very good budget in your home, and if you're putting some budget for your health, and you want some experts, you can. I refer you through it. This
Thank you.
is all
Thank
I
you so
would like
much. You
to.
have some very wonderful way of looking at things. It's been really an eye opener, because others whom I'm talking to are only talking about how it has benefited them in terms of eating and in terms of maybe losing weight. But this is a new perspective where you're saying that it has helped you change your outlook in life. So
Yeah.
that's
Thank you so much, ma'am.
really nice. Do you want to tell me anything else about the current situation, or what you're doing now? Anything about your dietitian?
This is the example I'm giving to people, that when you want to do something in this crisis, feel and think about what you want to do.
Thank you for sharing this. This is also very beautiful. What can we do for the kids? So currently, we don't really seek out to cater to kids. In these
So
times, should we do a video course for kids on
yes,
nutrition
it
or
is. It
healthy?
is a good part, because जैसे कोई ट्रू वेट आता है, अगर मैं ऑब्जर्व करूँ तो
Mm-hmm.
मुझे तो जरूरत थी, इसलिए मैंने उसे क्लिक किया, देखा.
Mm-hmm.
बट जैसे वीडियो एड्स भी आते हैं, तो
Mm-hmm.
व्हाट आई कैन सजेस्ट कि एडोलेसेंस और चिल्ड्रन बेस्ड वो वीडियोस बने.
So
Yes.
I was saying the same thing, that हमारा प्रोग्राम बिल्कुल भी starvation में या हवा पानी पे जीने पे बिल्कुल भी विश्वास नहीं रखता है. वो तो आपने देखा ही होगा that
Hmm.
we are all about
Hmm.
how you add more food, how you
Hmm.
add good food, and when you add good food, bad food will be cut out. So
Yes.
our focus initially is not on making you not
Hmm.
eat at all.
Hmm.
In fact, throughout the program, the people keep telling us that they're eating more than what they used to, because when you add more things, there's so many more things that is there to be eaten that you're not aware of. So and plus हम जो super foods बेचते हैं उसमें भी हम try करते हैं that काफी सारे exotic elements डालें, all the high protein, high fiber food that is not available otherwise. So what is your take on the superfoods? Which one is your favorite food?
हाँ, या सुपर फूड्स मेरे से ज्यादा तो मेरा बेटा शेयर कर लेता है. He loved that cookies, chocolate cookies, and even that was so healthy. Super foods are wonderful. बस मुझे वो थोड़ा सा, वो मेरी पर्सनल चॉइस है कि I don't like the tomato soup and all. वो मेरी
Okay.
पर्सनल चॉइस है. लोगों को
Okay.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. अभी तक का तो मुझे कुछ भी गलत नहीं लगा. ट्रूवेट ने इनको पट्टी पढ़ा दी. But you can see I'm still obese. I'm still obese. But मैं शिल्पा मैम से भी बोलती हूँ, who's my dietitian in Delhi, कि आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट ठीक है, जो भी होगा. ये नहीं कि ट्रू वेट की वजह से मैं अभी अभी तक पतली नहीं हुई, मैं अपनी वजह से पतली नहीं हुई. बट आई यूज टू अप्रिशिएट पीपल कि हर चीज में इतना इतना छोटा छोटा ध्यान रखते हैं ना. तो आई वांट टू गिव माय हियरेस्ट कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू द पीपल एंड टू द फाउंडर्स. तो वो उन्हें भी कई बार लगता है कि व्हाई शी वांट टू टेक दैट मच इनिशिएटिव. So I think, I feel like I feel it. मुझे लगता है apart from every business, apart from every relation, there is some energies. There is the energy of thinking, of feeling, of the vibration, of the trueness and the fakeness. तो होता है कि जब चीजें कनेक्ट होती हैं तो वो पॉजिटिविटी क्रिएट होती है. पॉजिटिवली my thanks to all the wonderful team of True.
Okay, thank you so much for giving your time and sharing your views with us. And it was really lovely talking to you. Totally unbarred, no holds barred conversation. So thank you so much. And you have a wonderful day ahead and a wonderful program with True Weight. And I really do hope that we will be in a position and we will be helpful enough to help you lose weight and overcome some of the health issues.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay,
Really nice
thank
to
you.
talk to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.